It's believed that up to 50% of your skin's nourishment comes from the food you eat, and the other 50% comes from the products you apply to your skin. With this in mind, ELEMIS introduces Superfood Facial Oil, a cocktail of ingredients designed to deliver maximum nourishment and nutrition through a softening and conditioning facial oil. Depending on your lifestyle and very much on your diet, Superfood Facial Oil can be combined into your routine as and when you need it. Apply the Superfood Facial Oil into the palm of the hands and then warm your hands together to activate the actives. Apply first in a patting motion all over the face, neck and décolletage, blending it into the skin. Do this onto a cleansed and toned skin morning and evening before you moisturize.